Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Short Vol Show. My name is David Lincoln. We have a market rally again today, and UVXY indicated a little lower around 989. Contango is in full effect. We're up around, let's see, we're over 9% right now, and continuing to build. We could get to 10% today. It looks like that is definitely possible. Let's see if I can fix my screen here. Let's see. So there you go. This show is sponsored by Gorilla Trades. Check out Gorilla Trades, not only for trading ideas and the option idea of the week, but also for emails that give you information on what's going on in the market. And today, there you go. So over 9%, 9.34% in Contango. Biggest news today is the FOMC meeting. So 2 o'clock is a very important time to watch. We are expecting a quarter-point raise in rates today. Remember, we are in a tightening cycle right now, and that means that with a heated-up economy and markets rallying, the Fed raises rates to cool things off, to keep inflation in check. And it makes it harder to borrow money for companies, and this makes it so that stuff slows down as far as inflation and prices. So widely expected the quarter-point raise today. We also have a bunch of economic numbers coming out at 8:30 PPI. We also have oil inventories coming out at 10:30, oil inventories, with a lot of geopolitical stuff happening this week. We had President Donald Trump meet with North Korea in Singapore, and before that we had the G7 meeting in Canada, and the media still digesting all of those stories. Meanwhile, one of my stocks I've been watching a lot, Boson, continues to rally. One of the hottest Chinese stocks. I have it up on the screen behind me here, Boson. Short show today. I got to get going. I know other people got to get going too, but we do appreciate you coming on to watch the show, because obviously you could be anywhere right now, so we appreciate you spending a couple seconds with us here. Let's take a look really quickly at investing.com, and it says stocks, U.S. futures inch up ahead of Fed meeting. 2 o'clock is the big moment, folks. So be ready right then. Anything could sort of happen, as if they don't announce a quarter-point raise, then stuff's going to go crazy. It's widely anticipated that they will, however, announce a quarter-point raise in the Fed funds. So, in interest rates. Let's take a look quickly at Drudge Report. Judge gives Media Mania green light, no conditions on merger. AT&T was cleared by a judge to take over Time Warner in an $85 billion deal that will fuel the mobile phone giant's evolution into media powerhouse and could spark a wave of new mergers. U.S. District Judge Richard Leon on Tuesday rejected the Justice Department's request for an order blocking the Time Warner acquisition, saying the government failed to make its case that the combination would lead to higher prices for pay TV subscribers. The judge put no conditions on the deal. All right, so there is that. And Let's see. VIX currently down 30 cents, trading 12.04 with front month futures down 15 cents, 12.62. Second month futures 13.81. We start to look ahead to the relationship between M2 and M3 futures right now, which is between Contango between M2 and M3 is currently between 5 and 6%, and look for that to expand as we come online with the roll starting between M2 and M3, which will happen mid next week after expiration. So we do see the spot and M1 futures converging as we get towards expiration. Right now, there is 60 cents in the roll between spot and the M1 future. That does need to converge to zero before expiration mid next week. So look for, if stuff continues like it is right now with futures up a little and just sort of slowly rallying, look for vol to get smacked today, and look for these ETPs to get destroyed, because there is pressure for futures to converge now, mounting pressure as we reach expiration. So UVXY could really get smacked down today. If nothing else changes, it will really get smacked down today because we've got a bunch of stuff happening. Futures have to converge. We've got weekend effect, and it's all lining up for a real smackdown on UVXY today. So that's what I have to offer you this morning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.